take my phone, right? And then he threatened one of our friends.
You can do what you want, man. Cheers.
Right?
Nobody has to do.
What is the reason you come here? What is the reason you come here?
I want to speak to you.
Okay, go on.
I don't care. So what?
No, why you come here? No, so you can. He has no right to ask everybody else's name and not tell his name. You're telling us what it is about.
As well.
No, he said, there's this business in Pakistan, you just sort out, they were being aggressive. Right? They were being aggressive.
Nothing to do with you. You are Pakistani. Tell me, who are you? Okay, show me your card. You are Pakistani. That's true. It's better you go away from here. Okay? That's it.
I think something.
Okay. Leave that. You just go away from here.
Come back.
And don't come back here.
Tell me come back.
Okay?
Okay.
So I said you don't come back here. Okay, let's go. Let's go, chalo. Let's go. Leave him now.
It's okay. Come on. Who sent you, bro?
Leave that one. He said I am Pakistani. Could you tell me you are Pakistani?
I'm not Pakistani.
Why you said you are Pakistani?
You asked me a silly question, didn't you, sir?
This is silly, no question. It's our house. How you can come here?
Okay.
How you can come here? Did I come your house and ask you what you do again? I said it is my house. I'm owner of this house. Yeah. Yeah. I'm asking you. Who are you to asking me? You are the person who said I'm Pakistani.
No, I'm speaking to
That's
you.
better you go away from here, okay?
Listen.
I said you go from
I am
here.
speaking to you. Okay?
I don't want to tell you anything, so you just go away from here.
Your name is Bots.
Okay?
You said your name is Bots.
Whatever I say, you are not
No,
Pakistani.
no. You said